All this month we will be learning God's creation, and God is our Father.
Genesis 1 verse 1 to 31.
In day 1, God created
The light and the dark.
In day 2, God created
The sky.
In day 3, God created
The sea and the land and the tree.
Day 4, God created
The sun, moon and stars.
In day 5, God created
Animals that swim and animals that have flies.
In day 6, God created
everything that walks on land.
And people to rule the land.
On day 7, God
had the rest.
On day 1, God said, "Let there be light." On day 2, God said, "Let there be sky." In 7 days, God made the world. On day 3, God made the land and the seas. On day 3, God made the plants and the trees. In 7 days, God made the world. On day 4, God made the sun, the moon and stars. When he looked at all he'd made, he saw that it was good. In 7 days, God made the world. On day 5, God made all the monsters of the sea. On day 5, he made all that swims and everything with wings. In 7 days, God made the world. On day 6, God made everything that walks on land. From the smallest bug to the dinosaur, and people to rule the land. In